Morgen.
Hello.
Guten Morgen, guys. What's up, guys? We're going surfing, hitting the waves. We're really breaking really close to the beach, so we have to take care of the fucking sandbank. Oh.
Good morning.
That's how much close to that one. That's how easy it will be.
Good morning.
I'm not reviewing like an hour of footage of you goofing.
No, we're not goofy. Okay, I'm gonna
You look like
review
a
it.
goofy.
I'm gonna review it.
What's up, guys? Manly's got here today in Oxford! Man, it's swimming and I was wicked and stylish! It's snowy out there, guys! Be careful! Thanks, guys!
Bye bye. Hot woman here. Damn, look at that ass.
This is how we do it! Surfing with the boys and the girls! Make an epic joke here.
Manly Surf School here in the water.
I have a question, Alex. Yeah. How does it feel on the other way around?
Get it.
Oh, unbelievable backflip from Eddie. That's yours, Miss Blaney. That's yours, Miss Blaney. It's pretty small, pretty good. Alex, come on.
I got my eyes on you. Everything that I see, I want you all of emotion. Endlessly. Cause you were good boy. Alone. So just hold on, we're going home.
Just hold on, going home.
Okay guys, we're about to set off. We've just been packing up everything.
I'm still looking for my shoes.
We're missing lots of shoes. We put a lot of shoes in here.
But we can't find ours.
Easy solution. Little shower. We're missing so much. And look at this. Next time you see me, we will be on the road. What's up, everybody? It's Captain speaking, Sven, and yeah, today we're heading off to Bayern, trying to get as fast as we can without any accidents. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Starting the engine.
He doesn't know how.
Unlock the car.
Foot on the brake.
Yeah.
You go. Oh, we can edit that out. How's everybody? Ah, good.
Doing pretty good.
We made it.
Thank God. There's a Woolworths nearby, thank God. But no on the hunt for water. I think I spotted an oasis.
Let's buy apples. Apples. What?
The apples you bought.
Oh, Eddie, the chef. He cooked amazing. Nice green curry from Eddie. So tasty.